And the last feature we'll talk about in our chapter on working with graphics is how to insert videos into your Google Slides. Let's jump into it. So to insert videos into your Google presentation, you can do so from a slide that already has images and text and graphics, or you can do some from a blank slide. In this case, we'll demonstrate it on a blank page here. What we're going to want to do is navigate over to our tabs at the top of our screen. Go ahead and click on the Insert button. And then from the Insert tab, you're going to navigate down to Video. There's a couple different ways you can access and insert videos. You can do so from YouTube. You can either search all of YouTube, or if you have the specific URL, you can go ahead and paste it and the video will appear here. Or you can actually access videos from your Google Drive. So if you've had any videos shared to your drive, uploaded to your drive, or even shared with you, you can go ahead and find it. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and upload our marketing campaign video. Click the Insert button, and depending on the length of the video, it might take some time to upload, or it might upload pretty quickly. So just give it a little moment. And as you can see here, once we have that video on our slide, there are a couple different things that we can do. Let's start on the left-hand side of the screen here. As you can see, very similar to what we did when we were working with our different graphics, you could move around the position of the video. And then you can even change how large the video appears on your screen and change the dimensions and so forth. What you'll notice too is that once you insert a video into Google Slides, you'll automatically get the formatting options menu pop up on the right-hand side of your screen. And there's a couple of different options you can do there. So right down below, you can determine when the video plays. Should it play on a click? Should it play manually? So what's the difference here? On click means if you just happen to click onto the slide, then it'll automatically play. If it's manual, you will have to physically click the play button in order for that video to launch. And a new feature for Google Slides is the availability to play a video automatically. So meaning that if I just gravitate towards that slide, the video will play immediately. So that's a newer feature for those who haven't been using Google Slides for a moment, or if you're brand new. In the past, you never had that feature. Now you have the ability to have that video play automatically. So we'll set it so that it plays automatically as soon as I turn onto that slide. And you can even determine when the video starts and stops. So if you don't necessarily want it to start right at the beginning, you can go ahead and say, let's have it start at the 30-second mark. Okay. It'll start at 30 seconds, and then it'll end at the end time. And what's great about it as well is you can even move the video to different places and have it start there as well. So you have a couple of different options. So you'll notice that if I clicked along the video, this little blue icon now highlighted under the start at time. And if I click on use current time, it'll determine to start the video exactly from where I clicked it. So there's a little bit of personalization, a little bit more manual customization. Down below, you can decide whether or not you want to mute the audio in the video. So sometimes you just want to have the visual, you don't necessarily want the audio to be included. You can go ahead and select mute audio, so when the video plays, there will be no audio on it, or you can leave it off. And then we have some of our more traditional formatting options that we've been seeing throughout this chapter: size and rotation, positioning, drop shadows, and of course, alternate text. So let's say we had this to our liking, we had it set to play automatically. We can X this out, and now we have that video ready on our slide. And if we want to just take a look at what it looks like, let's quickly go over to our View tab, hit Slideshow, and you can see that the video now automatically plays from the time that we set, that 18-second mark, and we're good to go. And so that's how you can go ahead and insert videos and add them to your presentations on Google Slides.